Back at it again with another tutorial on a skin fade. Let's go, man. Let's get straight to it. Lever fully closed. Just staying consistent, making sure I'm setting the canvas right for this really smooth transition. Y'all stay tuned, man. If y'all don't have me on Instagram, follow me at bigceo.bj, bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. Okay, so as y'all see, I'm doing my first guideline, lever fully closed, and then we're gonna go lever fully open right afterwards. Piece by piece, man, just so y'all can see how I go about my fades. So as you see, I stayed below his occipital bone just to make sure that the blend is smooth. Right here, I'm just double checking, making sure everything was nice and even, balancing it out. Right here, I'm going lever fully open. As you can see, I'm going about 1/2 inch just to make sure I can have that transition popping. Very smooth, very consistent, just staying efficient with everything, as y'all can see. This is the first time client too as well, so now I'm going lever fully. Well, no, I'm going lever mid lever. He was like, man, I need to get this fade. Let's get to it. So as y'all see right here, I'm going with the 1.5 just to go ahead and debulk. Just to make sure that the canvas is nice and free so I can see where I'm at with it, piece by piece. And also so I can, it'll be a very smooth transition from that 1 guard to that 1.5. Now I'm using the 1 guard, as you can see. The blend is almost fully there, but I want to make sure I do detail work and that I'm staying consistent so it can be a very smooth haircut. So as y'all see, I'm just balancing it out. Y'all can see all the lines are fading out. Each section that I'm doing is nice and efficient. Removing any excess hair, as y'all can see. Now I'm working with his beard. Just trying to get him real smooth and clean. So then I'm gonna do a facial afterwards. He got a premium service today as well. And that's the thing, man. Y'all never undersell your craft. Know what you're worth. Back it up. Keep it professional and keep going. Because you do have those that will pay. You gotta pay to play. Very simple, very smooth. Right there, he's showing me his TikTok. He's going viral on TikTok. He does commissions as well. He shouts out his products and all of those good things. And he was just showing me how to stay consistent. As y'all see, I've been posting every day on my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram, all of them. So as y'all see, I'm about to work with his beard. I just blended the top piece a little bit. Just line him up, making sure everything is smooth before I go ahead and do the facial. Then I have to do the razor, all those good things as well. Right there, I'm working with his mustache, just keeping everything clean. Just staying efficient, basically, So as y'all see, everything's looking really smooth. Everything's coming together, piece by piece. Just taking my time, making sure everything's nice and even, nice and balanced. I know we chopping it up, so he had to wait a little bit just so I could finish lining him up. Very cool conversation, very cool dude. We was able to lock in and network, gave me a couple pointers and things like that as far as social media, how to brand myself, how to get that exposure, how to stay consistent, how to utilize these apps that we use all day, every day right here. I'm just working with his top texture. He just wanted to take it down some, piece by piece. Still kind of keep it where it's at. So y'all see how I'm using shears and my comb. Right here, I'm going with the facial, about to clean his face. Right there, I'm applying shaving gel. So I can go ahead and use the razor, get that out the way first, and then clean his face, and then actually clean his face. As far as what I meant by cleaning his face is removing that gel, that shaving gel. As you see, I went ahead and removed my gloves so my hands won't slip at all. Just make sure I know where I'm at with everything. Keeping it safe. Right here, I'm working with his mustache. About to work with this other side. Just making sure I'm staying consistent with everything, you know. As y'all see right there, I'm just balancing it out. Real clean, real clean, as y'all can see. Very smooth transition. Now I'm doing the facial. I'm exfoliating his face. Just cleaning everything. The steam is opening up his pores, opening up his lungs, reducing any anxiety. All in one go as I go. And the reason why I'm using the facial steam as I shave is just kind of like that shower effect that most of us do in the shower when we're shaving. So like I said, man, if you haven't followed me on Instagram at bigceo.bj and bjs.cuts with 2 Z's on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.